Welcome to this peaceful moment of meditation and reflection. Find a comfortable position, either sitting with your spine naturally straight or lying down comfortably. If you're sitting, rest your hands gently on your lap or knees. Gently close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Let each breath release any tension in your body, allowing your shoulders to soften and your jaw to relax. Now allow your breathing to find its natural rhythm. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen. Let your mind become quiet like still water, as we explore today's teaching in the path to inner peace. In the gentle quietness of this moment, let us explore the profound nature of love through the wisdom of Buddhist teachings. The Buddha taught that true love begins with understanding and compassion, not attachment or possession. This wisdom remains especially relevant in our modern world where many seek love but often encounter suffering instead. During Buddha's time, there lived a wealthy merchant named Anathapindika who demonstrated the purest form of love through his actions. His love was not limited to his family but extended to all beings. He built monasteries and provided food for thousands, not out of obligation but from genuine loving-kindness. His example teaches us that authentic love flows naturally, like a river nourishing everything in its path. The Buddha spoke of 4 elements of true love: metta, or loving-kindness, karuna, or compassion, mudita, or sympathetic joy, and upekkha, or equanimity. These elements create a foundation for lasting happiness in relationships and life. When we cultivate these qualities, we transform our understanding of love from something we seek outside ourselves to something we cultivate within. Consider the story of Kisagotami, a young mother who lost her only child. Overwhelmed with grief, she carried her dead child through the streets, begging for medicine to revive him. The Buddha, seeing her suffering, asked her to bring mustard seeds from a house where no one had ever died. As she went from house to house, she gradually understood the universal nature of loss and the importance of accepting impermanence. This story teaches us that true love includes accepting the natural flow of life and death, joy and sorrow. In our meditation today, feel the warmth in your heart center. This warmth is your natural capacity for love. Like the sun that shines equally on all things, true love does not discriminate. The Buddha taught that attachment, often mistaken for love, causes suffering. When we truly love, we give freedom to others while remaining grounded in our own peace. Remember the Buddha's words to his son Rahula about cultivating love like the earth. The earth accepts all things, beautiful flowers and waste alike, yet remains unchanged in its nature. Similarly, true love maintains its essence regardless of external circumstances. This teaching is particularly relevant for those experiencing challenges in relationships or feeling lonely in their later years. The Buddha shared a profound teaching about the nature of lasting love through the story of a devoted couple, Nikalapita and Nakalamata. Their relationship was built not on passion or attachment, but on mutual respect, shared values, and genuine care for each other's well-being. They approached the Buddha together, expressing their wish to remain together not just in this life but in future lives as well. The Buddha explained that couples who share similar values, faith, generosity, and wisdom naturally find themselves together across lifetimes. As you breathe deeply, imagine your love expanding beyond personal relationships to embrace all beings. This universal love, or metta, brings profound peace and joy. The Buddha often taught that practicing loving-kindness meditation could transform anger, fear, and attachment into understanding and acceptance. In the Karaniya Metta Sutta, the Buddha described love as a mother's love for her only child. This love is unconditional, patient, and enduring. As we age, this wisdom becomes more precious. Instead of seeking perfect relationships, we learn to perfect our capacity to love. This shift brings tremendous freedom and joy. Consider the Buddha's teaching about the 4 kinds of happiness in relationships. First is the happiness of owning and enjoying material wealth honestly earned. Second is the happiness of sharing one's wealth generously with others. Third is the happiness of being free from debt. Fourth, and most important, is the happiness of living a faultless and pure life. The story of Pattakara, who lost her entire family, teaches us about transforming grief through understanding and love. Through Buddhist practice, she not only healed her broken heart but became a great teacher, helping others find peace through wisdom and love. Her journey reminds us that even the deepest wounds can become gateways to greater love and understanding. The Buddha once told a story about 2 acrobats, a teacher and student, who performed together on a bamboo pole. The teacher said to the student, "You watch me, and I'll watch you. By helping each other, we can perform our feat and earn a good living." But the student was wiser and replied, "No, teacher. You watch yourself, and I'll watch myself. By each protecting ourselves, we protect each other." This story teaches us that true love begins with self-care and mindfulness, which then naturally extends to others. As we sit here in meditation, feel how your breath connects you to all living beings. This connection is the foundation of Buddhist love. It transcends romantic attachment and familial bonds to embrace the entire web of life. This understanding brings deep peace and contentment, especially valuable as we navigate life's changes. Let your heart be like the vast sky, holding all experiences with gentle awareness. When challenges arise in relationships, remember the Buddha's teaching that true love is not possession but the wish for others' happiness. This wisdom helps us age gracefully, maintaining meaningful connections while letting go of attachments that cause suffering. In closing, remember that love in Buddhist teaching is not about finding the perfect partner or having perfect relationships. It's about cultivating our heart's natural capacity for kindness, understanding, and acceptance. As we age, this wisdom becomes more precious, helping us find peace and joy in all life's seasons. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the peace and love in your heart. Gradually open your eyes, carrying this understanding into your daily life. May all beings be happy, peaceful, and free from suffering.